The Hynniewtrep Achick National Movement (Hanm), through its employment cell, demanded from the state government the recruitment of youth in offices of the state and central government and also in private sectors. Speaking to media persons, the chairman of the Hanm employment cell, Langthongni, said that the qualified youth of the state have to go outside of Meghalaya or even to different countries in search of employment because no job is available in their own place. He informed that after the cell had visited and inspected various state and central government offices, they found that most of the employees were people belonging to other states of the country.
Employment sir, nimla bancu sabjar lo kani. Nomor boleh itu, baka employment crisis. Hakba kibupun kena samla, kibulana mastad, kihap ia kapan mi nang ni setiap jumi nang tam lewat kam wajam segibi Pakistan. Omde tang ni setiap segibi bari. Ruidan. Mari semua tu ba jing bom yo kam jam. Kadai ke wei ke jingpam. Lagi ba kum ke jadun reo. Kum ki trai di tremluk, ki trai jala nihap ya ke panmat. Nomor kata nak lem jong ke senam employment sir. Katawa ya ke sorga. Ba kadai ban tungkam kadi ban recruit haki office sorka jongka state jongka central government kumju ki private sector padi panlong shwa ya ki trai muluk ki samla ki balanang bastad ki bala pentibet haki jingpuli.
At the same time, the president of the Hanm central body, Lamprang Kharbani, warned private institutions in the state, especially those which are run by people from outside of Meghalaya, to not bring their own people or relatives and employ them at such institutions. He also expressed his dissatisfaction at the recent signing of the Memorandum of Understanding or MOU between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya and said that the organization had already understood the motive behind this activity. He added that the Chief Minister of the state did not make public the MOU and not even to his fellow MLAs at the floor of the House. Further, Kharbani also said that according to the press statement issued by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, it had claimed that most of the land in the border areas, especially in Ribhoi district like Khanapara, Maikhuli and Palinkata, have gone to Assam. He also said that the government should not go ahead with the signing of the MOU for Phase 2 of the boundary settlement if Meghalaya has to lose an inch of its land to the state of Assam. He also threatened that the Hanm's Land Protection Cell will settle the border issue on its own, even if they have to shed blood for the sake of the state and its people.
Institution ki per harway day kamtam hagi tu kijaka balong principal da ki bom day ki trai mulo ngijulak borobor ba ya ki pos ki barit ni ki behe ka bagi trai mulo kidang laban trai kini ki principal ki sadwan ra ba ki bele jong na thina ki jaka ba kiwan kene kalong ka ba sosai berkelong ke ege ba pendek mensim ya di kon samla jong tet menreo ki banang stat bat ni da mahamru jor ya kum kine ki jaj principal ki baju wanra ya ba hingsam namang lalap nuksa hanti po ram krishna sora kibon ki pos ke ba ki nong sora hanti ki lalong fet bantrei ya kam kat ba kim ju ai advertisement kira ki wanra baik ki breo ki banabar ki badai ki family member na ki dai insam na ki khon na ki jing dai bat itu ki principal na kita ki balong ha kita ki institution tu yang juga sengka maham ba nang ne sekemal ada kalap ni ha ban lai pun kam bar ka sarkar government of Meghalaya ka depan tuklar ka depan interfere nomor ka jing ka angsla jong di kun samla jong benre benang start kamot ka long ka ba sirkai bar ka long ka ba ima ka seng ka dat sutu ya ka jing temu ka sarkar dak ba bori ya ka kopi jong ka memorandum of understanding kaseng ka kenda basai ba kamhun ya ka agreement balasu let soy don bor dau chief minister kwat ke sangma bat u hi manta chief minister ka government of Assam hakmat u Amit Shah namar kum ka jingithu jong chief minister jong ka Assam hakilat patai kubor kumba 1.79 square kilometers ka jaka na khana para ki jaka na pilangkata kila late lot sha Assam kentho pro ya mai kuri kane gadai ka pen I sekdar ba gadai ke jing sha jam bat ke jinglong nyang kongo jong ka sarkar Meghalaya hakmat u himanta biswa sama bat u Amit Shah hato dayban pen baik put tang u CM ka Assam dayban pen baik put tang u chief minister ka Assam marwai susun muhor pat u chief minister ka sarkar Meghalaya